Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. In my pursuit for happiness and cleanliness, cleaning up my workbench, I've come across yet another rogue cylinder. This one is a Lockwood one. You can tell by laser engraving. It's got the football shape and the ASL alloy across the front. It's a 5-pin inline rim cylinder, and it has no keys. Keys it is not, or keys it has not. So I'm just going to quickly do a quick rekey on it. So this is your standard cylinder you get off your Lockwood 001 or many of the other type rim mounted locks. Probably should use some proper tool here, but I'm not. Okay, there we go. That's off. Now I have two options. I could either shim it or I could pick it. My choice here would be to just simply pick it. See how long it sort of takes me here. And I'm doing it in the hand, so it makes it even more tricky because I don't have a nice vise to work with. Well, I do, it's right next to me, but it's off camera. Ooh, lost about half of them. I have to start again. This is harder to do it in your hand. I see why it's been left on the bench now. Alright, it's done. So I had to reset a couple of times. Fair enough. Now I'm looking for a crusty, bent, bit of dilapidated shim that's probably been abused, and there's some right there that fits that category. Because having good shim and straight shim and a new piece of shim would just be way too much of an investment. Alright, there we go. Bang, she's out. There are my pins there. Let's see if I can keep any. Oh yeah, I can keep one. That goes in the pin collection, and if you wish to buy our old pins, you can. Reason being is if you're only rekeying one lock, it'll do the job. You know what? I don't even like that first one. I'm just gonna, yeah, there we go. Start afresh. So lab pins and Lockwood keys sometimes can be a little bit different. Lockwood pins can be a little bit different. I'm using a couple of carbine keys here. Reason being is they were sitting on my bench idly waiting to be given a new home and a new direction in life, and that's what I'm intending on using them for. Alright, so we've got 3 pins down, 2 to go. Let's go for a 4 just to mix up the colourful combination a bit and make it look nice and sexy in the plug. Drop in a 5. Oh yeah. And drop in another 5. Oh, no, it's a 4. Alright, now I'm going to check my top pins as all good locksmiths do, because that's what they taught us how to do it at TAFE. They said always check your top pins. Alright, I'm happy with my bottom pins there. Let's check our top pins. Okay, there's 1, a spooler, 2, another spooler, and 3, I'll leave him in. He's a spooler too. Leave him in so I don't have to repack him. So I've done 3 from the front. Alright, now go for 2 up the bum. Okay, and just to prove there, you can see little lips there. They're the classic Lockwood don't pick me open spools. And geez, didn't they cause us a little bit of grief when they came out? I think a lot of locksmiths were drilling these bad boys open for quite some time. Alright, click. Done. Ah, beautiful. Now it can go back into the pile and have a whole new lease on life because it's got keys. It's complete. Right, there's our top piece. Use my big electrical pliers, which are definitely not the right ones, but hey, they work. Give it a nice little crimp like so. That's on there tight. And done. Okay, so there you have it. Actually, I could have decoded it too. I could have picked it and decoded it, but it was easier just to throw new keys into it. So picking open, rekeying, and reattaching the tailpiece on a Lockwood 201 spool pin key cylinder, or 201 rim mounted cylinder, however you want to look at it, or whatever you want to call it. Leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching.